Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the raw XRD files are compatible and correctly labeled. This saves time downstream. First, load the scans and convert raw counts to counts per second so exposure differences are normalized. Next, subtract instrument dark counts and a coarse background estimate to remove offset. Once done, align overlapping scans by matching peak positions and merge them into a single 2θ intensity dataset. Make sure metadata like step size and detector type are attached so later corrections use correct parameters. Now perform physics-based corrections to make intensities comparable. Apply detector efficiency and polarization corrections because detector response and polarization alter relative peak heights. Then correct for geometric factors, Lorentz and sample absorption, since those change with angle and material density. After those are applied, scale the entire pattern by a stable reference, monitor counts, incident beam intensity, or a reference peak. Once scaled, peaks reflect intrinsic scattering power. Make sure to document each correction factor for reproducibility and future adjustments. Finish by refining the process pattern so it's analysis-ready. Fit and subtract a residual baseline using an adaptive polynomial or rolling ball method to avoid biasing peak integrals. Once baseline corrected, apply a mild Savitsky-Gallé smooth to reduce noise, but preserve full width at half maximum and integrated intensities. Finally, validate. Compare with a standard reference pattern or check known relative peak ratios. Adjust scaling or corrections if discrepancies persist. Troubleshooting tip. If peaks distort after smoothing, reduce window size or skip smoothing and revisit baseline removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.